Good morning all of you. Today we are starting a subject which name is digital electronics. In the study of electrical engineering or electronics engineering, you are studying this subject on 4th semester or 5th semester. Friends, first of all, we need to know about electronic circuit. Friends, electronic circuit and systems are two types. First one analog electronics and second one digital electronics. We are studied digital electronics on 4th semester and analog electronics in the 5th semester of engineering. Let's know about first of all digital electronics. I am sure this video will help you for your competition exam as well as your semester examination. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends. Now coming back to the topic, digital electronics. We can also call digital electronics as a switching circuit. Now why we called switching circuit? Because voltage level changes from one state or one level to another value, which switch the circuit from one state to another state. That's why we called digital electronics as a switching circuit. Here I am talking about levels. First of all, there are two levels. One is 0 and second one is 1, or 1 or 0, vice versa. Here 0 means low and 1 means high. That means 0 means active low and 1 means active high. This is the two level of the digital electronics. All the operation being performed in digital electronics based on these two levels. Now the digital electronics or digital circuit is two types. First one is combinational circuit and second one is sequential circuit. Now let's compare combinational circuit and sequential circuit for your better understanding. Let's start combinational circuit. The output of the combinational circuit depends on the only present input value. There is no options or feedback for made any changes on the output value. Let's move to the sequential circuit. The output of the sequential circuit depends on the present input value as well as the past input value. The output of the sequential circuit affected from not only the present value as well as past value. Now second point for the combinational circuit, it has no memory. There is no feedback, it has no memory. Now in sequential circuit, it has memory which store output value, output result, which help to increment or decrement in the output result. Combinational circuit examples are comparator, encoder and decoder, etc. Whereas sequential circuit examples are counter and flip-flop, etc. Sequential circuit has two types. First one is synchronous sequential circuit and second one is asynchronous sequential circuit. These two type of sequential circuit we are studying in our upcoming lectures. Let's move to the block representation of sequential or combinational circuit. In the left side, combinational circuit, and in the right side, sequential circuit block diagram representation is shown. The output of the combinational circuit depends on only present input, while in right side you can see sequential circuit which consists combinational circuit with a memory element which provide feedback to control output. That's why previously we called the output of the sequential circuit depends on present input as well as past input. दोस्तों, अगर आपको यह लेक्चर अच्छा लगा तो अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें और हमें कमेंट करके बताएं ताकि हम इस लेक्चर को आगे कंटिन्यू कर सकें। आपको हिंदी में ये लेक्चर देखना पसंद है या फिर इंग्लिश में, कमेंट करके हमें नीचे ज़रूर बताएं। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट लेक्चर के साथ।